Pradhana, as I mean, I give the meaning to that word Pradhana, source, Brahman, existence, cause, intelligence. Source has no desire and nothing to achieve. Please understand. Desire can neither happen to the bliss. How can bliss desire anything else? Everybody, everything may desire bliss. But bliss doesn't desire anybody or anything. So the source, which is bliss and intelligence, does not have desire. That's the first thing. So based on this sacred secret, many more understandings we need to reach. Intelligence, the energy, source, cannot have desire. Same way, matter also cannot have desire. How can matter have desire? It is inert, dead. How can a dead thing have desire? How can intelligence, energy can have desire? Source, which is intelligence, which is energy, cannot have desire. Same way, the matter, because of its nature, it is dead, cannot have desire. Then where exactly desire is happening? Desire is happening when the matter tries to move towards energy. Please understand. Desire is happening when the matter tries to move towards energy, but unfortunately you attribute the desires to energy, to the self. Let me make it very clear. It's like when you are driving fast, you feel trees are all running against you. Trees are not running against you. You are attributing in a wrong way. When the matter wants to achieve your state, bliss, and intensely moving towards you, unfortunately you assume you have desire and make a big mess out of it. The moment you start thinking you have desire, you start fighting with it, or whatever you do is wrong. It's like the moment you assume all the trees in the roadside are running towards you. Now whatever decision you make is going to be wrong. Either you may try to feel, no, they are all running towards me, I should stop immediately and start fighting. No, they are all running towards me, I should escape from here and run away somewhere. No, they are all running towards me, I should have a long sword and cut all of them. No. Any decision you make is going to be wrong because the assumption is wrong. The Purva Paksha you did is wrong. So when you do wrong Purva Paksha, whatever decision you make, you do is going to be wrong. The basic sacred secret revealed in the sutra is bliss, Brahman, cannot have desires. And all desires, all movements are because the matter tries to move towards the Brahman. Please understand, matter also don't have any desire. It cannot have any desire. How can matter have any desire? It is dead. It cannot have any desire. The wrong assumptions you make when matter moves towards you is desire. It is like exactly this example only will match. When you are driving in the car, be very clear. By nature it will look as if all the trees are running towards you. If you think, no, trees are all running towards me, what will I do? That's the exact feeling. I can equate it to, oh, I have so many desires, I don't know what to do. Relax. Your house is running towards you. Your car is running towards you. Your wealth is running towards you. Your properties are running towards you. Your luxury is running towards you. Your relationships are running towards you. But you assume, oh, I'm having too much desire for money, too much desire for relationships, too much desire for house, too much desire for car, what to do? What shall I do? What will I do? Am I in the right direction having this desire? I think I should kill this desire. No, I should work for this desire. Any decision you take is wrong. Over. Source is desire free. I am not boasting. If just this one truth, humanity is ready to listen, I tell you, Vyasa can solve the whole suffering of humanity.
Putting all my trust in you, 'cause you know it's best for me to lead a blissful life, a life with no more strife. Can't believe the things I do, just to spend a little time with you. Nothing will compare, I know you will take care.
You're always showing us compassion. Your love is endless like an ocean. Nityananda, Nityananda. My life's become a meditation. Ever since we had a